Dear fellow makeup lovers, today we need to talk about the truth about Blend Bunny Cosmetics. You thought this was gonna be a shady kind of video. Wrong. This video is all about love, positivity, and support, and we're gonna be talking about Blend Bunny Cosmetics and the owner, Maggie. So, some friends and I have a few things we'd like to say to you, and of course, this is my channel, my video, so I'm gonna start it off. So to you, Maggie, aka Blend Bunny, I just want to say how deeply and truly proud I am of you and all of your success. I had absolutely no doubt in my mind that your Blend Bunny Cosmetics Blend palette was going to do fantastic. Like we all knew, you have such attention to detail and such passion in what you do and what you create. I had no doubt in my mind that you would give all of us makeup lovers, enthusiasts, creators, what have you, the palette of our dreams. This is the most perfect rainbow matte palette. I'm obsessed with it. Everyone's obsessed with it. People are creating literal magic and art on their eyes because of you, and I wanted to thank you for giving me such an amazing product to use, and I of course look forward to all your future products. But besides the product, I just want to tell you how proud I am of you and your support. You've worked so hard on this palette, and I know you're working on some amazing products coming soon, hopefully, but the passion and the love you put into this and how you treat your customers, your friends, your mutuals here on social media is like none other. You are doing everything the right way. You're so transparent with your brand and how everything works and how everything's going. I knew you were going to be successful. We all knew you were going to be successful, but honestly, I'm surprised at how much success that it seems like you're getting. I mean, you're literally sold out right now. Like what? You're an indie brand owner and you're literally sold out. Like that's amazing. So I just want to say how super proud I am of you. I love you to death. Thank you for being such a great friend. You have been my #1 fan and I've been your #1 fan for as long as I can remember. So here are a few messages from some of our friends.
Congratulations, you're #1. Congratulations on having your very first palette, the Blends palette, completely sold out. That's absolutely amazing, and it's one of my most favorite palettes that I own at the moment, and I can't wait to see what else you're going to bring to your brand, Blend Bunny Cosmetics. Congratulations.
Hi Maggie, my name's Savannah, and I am wearing your eyeshadow palette on my eyes right now. You made like the best palette ever, and you are an awesome creator and an awesome person, and keep doing what you do.
Hey Maggie, I just wanted to say congratulations on your huge success right now with Blend Bunny Cosmetics. Seriously, this is one of my favorite palettes ever. Not only are you insanely talented, you are also incredibly sweet, and this is your year. I cannot wait to see what the fall has to offer for your new palette, and I'm just so damn proud of you. So congratulations for all your success.
Shout out to the people at Blend Bunny Cosmetics for making this completely beautiful, blendable palette that is so easy to use. When I tell you that these colors blend like a dream, I am not lying. I really want to thank you because I'm a busy mom, and being able to choose any color from this palette and put it on and make it look beautiful is a dream come true for me. Thank you, Blend Bunny.
Hi Maggie, I just first off wanted to say that I love you and I'm so proud of you. And just a big congratulations with all of the success for Blend Bunny Cosmetics. I am just so honored to have such an amazing friend like you, and I cannot wait to see what you have in store for everybody next.
Okay, so of course I gotta finish it off because you know I like to talk and like to have the last word, but we all love you so much. We truly do. We support you, your art, your hard work, your brand. We look forward to seeing what you create in the future. Thank you for creating a product that's for everybody from beginner to expert. Thank you for putting so much love and passion and hard work into everything that you do. The sky is the limit when it comes to Blend Bunny and Blend Bunny Cosmetics, and I'm so excited to see what the future has in store for you. Mwah.